our core values are so apparent here, collaboration being top of the list, but generosity as well, right? And being able to pass on this idea as a gift of gratitude to our communities was another part of it that felt so inspiring, to be able to share this freely.
This is sharing, right? It feels like I'm sharing a piece from each of your studios. So even though we're scattered across the United States, literally, I feel like I have in my hands a little piece of you guys in my, from your studio to mine.
It was just really exciting. And I'm so glad we did it because, even though it took a little bit of time, for everything to get around, it was just so fun to receive it. And I love that we've all touched it, and it's all, little bits of us that are in that.
Just deciding like what goes on the front cover and what pages go where. It was fun to touch something that your hands had also touched. I don't know, it felt really special.
Being last in line, I think, was the most fun spot, because I got to hold all four of the journals and put little notes to everyone inside of them. So for me, that felt super, super special to be part of the experience. Please tag your friends, tag us, Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal, when you've done yours so that we can see what other people are creating. But we'd love for this to really grow and inspire others and to get those, I love the old-fashioned round robin ideas going again. This is such a time of year to share our creative spirit with others.